Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Cardano, as Cardano has hit two of my short to midterm targets to the upside. Congratulations to anybody hanging on to Cardano right now, as it's putting in a very nice day, even in the face of all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I do like to cover Cardano on this channel, so if that's something that's interesting to you, feel free to subscribe. There is another target to the upside that I'm paying attention to in the short to midterm. Of course, I think Cardano can go much higher over the long term, but I do like to take things level by level. Let's get into the video. Starting off nice and simple here on Coinbase before moving to the trading view charts, we see that Cardano was sideways for most of the day here and then just recently started to pick up to the upside, looking really good. We see in the last 24 hours, Cardano is up 19%, very nice. Up 36% on the week, looking good here, and up 52% on the month. We see the 24-hour trade volume, a very healthy 12 billion, and the market cap at 64.8 billion. According to Coinbase, 75% of folks are on the buy side and 25% are on the sell side. And quickly popping into CoinMarketCap, we see Cardano at rank number 4, and we see it currently trading at $1.93, at least at the time of recording. And here we have Cardano up on the daily chart in TradingView, and Cardano has officially hit the second target since breaking out of this overall greater macro range here. And congratulations to anybody that had the diamond hands to hold on to Cardano, even in the face of all the FUD that's been flooding into the crypto space lately. So when we look left here, we see this purple box liquid zone was an area of major resistance. We see wicks getting up into that area, very quick and steep rejections to the downside. We see that here, and then we see it again right here. And then not too long ago, we saw Cardano close a daily candle body up above the top side of that liquid zone, coming in on good volume down below, getting above that moving average, as well as taking out the last several days of volume read. Since that moment in time, we saw Cardano retest that liquid zone and find it as support multiple times. And as soon as that 21 was able to catch up here, the second target was initiated to the upside, and that target was the one spot 618. We see that price action got just up above that just a little bit, and now is pulling back, and that is very typical behavior, as that area is usually a very common target for bots and algorithms as well as traders. So to see some profit taking happening at that level comes as no surprise. So what's next for Cardano? Well, what I'm going to be looking for is I'd like to see Cardano find support on the one spot 414 here, coming in around that $1.85. We see a lot of wicks getting up into that area, as the one spot 414 is usually the first target when you see a range get resolved. And of course, that range was between these two liquid zones here. So both those targets have been hit now. So the next thing I'm going to be watching for with Cardano is I'm going to be watching for it to try to hold support in this area. Of course, there's still some sell pressure in the market overall, so we're going to have to see what happens with that. But Cardano has been holding itself up very well, in the face of all that. But we want to see Cardano try to stay above the one spot 414 here. We see all these wicks coming in at that area. If I take a horizontal line and quickly map that in like so, it's a little bit easier to see. You see those wicks getting up there, 1, 2, 3. So we want to see that area get held as support. If Cardano is able to do that, consolidates for a few days as traders and bots take their profits, then the next common target for Cardano in the midterm is going to be the 2 spot 618, and that's coming in all the way up at $2.67. So over time, that's going to be the next area that I pay attention to. Of course, if the bull market continues, then I think Cardano is going to go much higher than that. But I do like to take things level by level and just protect my account from unforeseen events or unforeseen dumps within the market. So for me, the best strategy has always been to take it level by level. So the next area I'm going to be watching, the final target, is going to be $2.60 area around there for the midterm. And as of right now, where this sits is that we're seeing this nice engulfing candle coming in, awesome volume down below. Let's check in on the oscillators as well. Yep, we see the RSI getting back in the bullish control zone, taking out the exponential, nice positive slope there. And this RSI has plenty of room to run here. Fresh cross to the upside on the stochastics. That's not quite confirmed as the trading day has 8 hours remaining, but it's looking to me like the Stokes are going to be crossing back to the upside. We see the MACD histogram picking up steam right now. And the moving averages are now very nicely sloped to the upside. So the momentum oscillators are in concert right now with price action looking really good. When we look at the notable moving averages here, we see the 10, 21, and 30 all regaining a nice positive slope. And these moving averages are looking like they'd like to start fanning away from one another. So we could be dealing with another potential run-up in price action like we saw back here. Of course, it'll depend a bit on the rest of the market as a whole. But right now, Cardano's showing nothing but strength. So Let's keep our eyeballs up here at the 2.618, coming in around that $2.60 mark. Is that could very likely be the next target for Cardano. Things that I think would invalidate that would be if Cardano was obviously to roll over here and somehow get back down below the bottom side of this liquid zone. And the bottom side of that is coming in around $1.48. I don't view that as a probable scenario, but I always like to keep these possibilities on my radar so that I can at least have a plan if that was to happen. Anyhow, thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video, everyone. Congratulations to anybody that's experiencing this nice run-up with Cardano, especially with all the FUD going on. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video, and until I do, take care.